So you're minding your own freelance business and 2023 arrives and AI is all anyone can talk about. As a freelance copywriter, this had me worried. And I know that there are a lot of people in the freelance community that felt AI was going to be a risk to their job. Not cool, AI. But despite what many people think, AI is not the enemy. AI can be used to generate content, which is why a lot of freelance copywriters and content creators have been worried about it, and it has affected the way we all work. However, by now, I think most people have realized it's better as a tool rather than a replacement for a copywriter or content creator. Now, here's where a lot of people dismiss AI. They've tried it to create their copy and they thought, nah, do you know what? This isn't for me. I'd rather hire a professional or do a better job myself. Now, what people are then missing is the actual benefits of how you can use AI to grow your freelance business. I've been looking into this over the last few months, and there are several ways AI can support you to help your business flourish. Before we dive a little deeper into what you could be doing with AI to support and grow your business, you really need to understand about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is going to massively give you an advantage over using AI. It's the process of carefully crafting and refining questions or instructions to give your AI model, with the aim of maximizing the quality of the generated response, ultimately training and enhancing the model's performance. So my fellow freelance creatives, let's look at how you can use AI to grow your business. In the freelance world, time is money, so time management is really important. AI integrated with project management tools can really speed up your processes. They give you more time to focus on the creative side of your business that truly needs a human touch. Let's take Notion for example. Notion is integrated with AI to help you plan and manage tasks more efficiently. You can use Notion's AI to help you brainstorm ideas, plan out content, and even write your to-do lists for you. So for example, if you wanted to plan a new service, it can help you generate the tasks to get you there step by step. This takes out a lot of the extra legwork for you, so you can get straight on with working through those steps to create your new service. AI can greatly help you with market research. It can save you hours of putting together a client persona and trying to figure out what your client needs and wants. AI tools can analyze vast amount of data all at once and extremely quickly, and it can help you understand your audience better. The key is to ask the right questions to get the right response from your AI model. So for example, I typed this prompt into ChatGPT. I need help creating an ideal client profile for my copywriting business in the leisure and tourism industry. Can you guide me through the process? It came up with a great big answer where it broke everything down I needed to consider when analysing my audience. This can be really helpful, especially if you've not done a client persona before. Once you've got that understanding, you can then dive a bit deeper by asking it a more specific question. For example, write an analysis of my leisure and tourism clients' needs and wants for a content and copywriting service like mine. The answer it generates helps me better understand my audience and how to reach them. As you've just seen, this takes a few seconds, where if I was doing it myself, it would have taken me a couple of hours. These examples barely scratch the surface of the possibilities here. But don't worry, because later on in this video, I'm going to help you further with prompt engineering and give you a tool that's really going to help. More on that in a bit. So one of my favorite uses for AI is coaching and mentoring. It still isn't a replacement for a human, but this really is a game changer if you need help growing your freelance business. When you're freelancing, you quite often don't have people to bounce ideas off of. You're working on your own, and sometimes it can be difficult to know how to move the business forward. You recognize that a coach is going to motivate you and bring you some clarity to help you move the business forward, but it may not be an option for you right now. This is where AI can be fantastic. It can be that sounding board for you, and it can help you overcome those hurdles that are holding you back, such as imposter syndrome, fear and anxiety, self-doubt. Many of these things prevent a freelancer from reaching their full potential. So let's take imposter syndrome, for example, because this is very common amongst the freelance community. Now, I asked ChatGPT to provide a set of strategies that I can employ to manage feeling imposter syndrome in my role as a copywriter. It's already given me loads of great suggestions on how to overcome imposter syndrome. And with some more targeted AI prompts, I can dive even further into this. It's not a professional counsellor, of course, but if you need a little motivation and encouragement, it's a really great tool. So now you've got a few ideas on how to use AI to further your freelance business. Where do you start? As I've already mentioned, AI produces its best results when you ask it the right questions. So my friend and marketing coach Colin Scotland has been working really hard over the last few months to produce a vault full of prompts for ChatGPT. And I can tell you these are absolute gold for anyone trying to build a freelance business. This vault is home to over 1,700 masterfully engineered prompts in over 80 categories, including entrepreneurship and business strategy, marketing strategy and planning, and personal growth. I've been using these myself and I have honestly not felt the benefits of AI as much as I have while using these. So I recommend checking them out because the time and money you save from using them, plus the value that you'll get, is absolutely mind-blowing. You'll find a link in the description if you want to take a look. But either way, remember, AI is not something you need to be afraid of. It's not here to replace you with mediocre content, but use it as a friend to skyrocket your freelance business. It's going to enable you to reach further and deliver more of your own great content to the world. If you're still concerned over how AI may affect your business, check out this video here. Until next time, happy prompting.